Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Fridays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America, to help you discover interesting destinations throughout the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Thank you for joining today's podcast episode of Immigrants in the United States of America. Today, we will focus on Maestro Sersea's ebook, Amazing Road Trips in the United States of America. Today, we focus on Chapter 3, National Park Expeditions, with subchapters Yosemite National Park, Valley of Serenity, and Glacier National Park, Land of Ice and Mountains. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 3, National Park Expeditions. Yosemite National Park, Valley of Serenity. The drive through California's Sierra Nevada mountains was a breathtaking experience in itself. The winding roads hugged the mountainside, offering glimpses of towering trees and sheer cliffs. The scenery was a sight to behold, a true testament to the beauty of nature. After hours of driving, I finally arrived at the park entrance. As I passed through the gateway, a sense of serenity washed over me. The hustle and bustle of everyday life seemed to fade away, replaced by the tranquility of nature. This was the magic of Yosemite Valley. The valley itself is a masterpiece carved by glaciers over thousands of years. Its sheer granite cliffs and cascading waterfalls create a dramatic backdrop against the vivid green meadows below. In every direction, there is something stunning to behold. My first stop was Half Dome, one of Yosemite's most iconic landmarks. Standing at over 8,800 feet tall, this massive granite formation looms over the valley with an air of majesty. As I stood beneath its towering presence, I couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder and awe. The enormity of nature's creations never ceased to amaze me. The trail to the top of Half Dome is a challenging one, but the reward is well worth the effort. As I hiked along the steep slopes, I could feel my heart racing with anticipation. Each step brought me closer to the summit, and as I finally reached the top, my breath caught in my throat. The view from the summit was nothing short of awe-inspiring. The valley stretched out before me, a patchwork of green and gold. The waterfalls cascaded down the cliffs with a gentle roar, their mist creating a rainbow of colors in the morning light. As I stood there, taking in the beauty of my surroundings, I felt a sense of peace wash over me. In that moment, all my worries and cares faded away, replaced by a profound sense of tranquility. After descending from Half Dome, I continued my exploration of Yosemite Valley. Next on my list was El Capitan, another towering granite monolith that dominates the landscape. Known as a mecca for rock climbers, this massive formation has challenged climbers from all over the world. As I stood at the base of El Capitan, I marveled at the determination and skill of those who dared to conquer its vertical face. The sheer height of the rock seemed unfathomable, and yet there were climbers suspended in midair, defying gravity with their every move. It was a testament to the human spirit and the drive to push beyond our limits. As I continued my journey through the valley, I couldn't help but be captivated by the diversity of landscapes. From the serene Mirror Lake to the rugged beauty of Tunnel View, Yosemite National Park seemed to have it all. Each turn revealed a new vista, a new wonder to behold. One of my favorite experiences was a hike along the Mist Trail. As I made my way up the trail, the sound of rushing water filled the air. The mist from vernal fall drifted through the air, creating a cooling sensation in the afternoon heat. It was a refreshing respite from the dry air of the valley. At the top of the trail, Nevada Fall awaited, its thunderous roar a reminder of the power of nature. I stood on the edge of the precipice, feeling the spray of the waterfall on my face. In that moment, I felt a connection to something greater than myself. It was as if the very essence of life flowed through the water, reminding me of the beauty and fragility of our world. As my time in Yosemite Valley came to an end, I couldn't help but feel a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the opportunity to witness such beauty, gratitude for the serenity that enveloped me, and gratitude for the experiences that had shaped me as a traveler and a human being. Yosemite National Park, Valley of Serenity is more than just a destination. It is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where one can find solace and peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or simply in search of tranquility, Yosemite has something to offer. So, pack your bags, hit the road, and embark on your own journey to the Valley of Serenity. Let the beauty of Yosemite National Park envelop you, and may you, like me, find a sense of peace and awe in the wonders that await. Glacier National Park, land of ice and mountains. As a seasoned American teacher and a passionate driver, I have embarked on numerous road trips across the United States. One of my most unforgettable journeys took me to Glacier National Park, the picturesque land of ice and mountains. Nestled in the heart of Montana, this national park is a true treasure, offering a glimpse into the untouched beauty of nature. Driving towards Glacier National Park, the anticipation built up within me. The endless stretches of highway gave way to towering peaks as I approached the park's entrance. The scenery transformed before my very eyes, as if transported into a different world entirely. It was as if nature itself had painted a breathtaking masterpiece before me. One cannot truly experience Glacier National Park without venturing deep into its pristine wilderness. I eagerly set out on a hike along the renowned Going to the Sun Road, which meanders its way through the park, providing access to some of its most remarkable sights. The road itself is an engineering marvel, carefully constructed to showcase the park's natural wonders while minimizing the impact on the environment. As I drove along the winding road, I couldn't help but marvel at the stunning glaciers, awe-inspiring alpine meadows, and majestic mountain peaks that lay before me. Each step deeper into the park revealed a new enchantment, as if the wilderness beckoned me to explore further. The air was crisp and invigorating, infused with the scent of pine and fresh mountain streams. With each turn, the landscape unfolded like a grand symphony, orchestrated by nature itself. The rugged beauty of the mountains, cloaked in blankets of snow-capped peaks, evoked a sense of awe that humbled me. The glaciers, sculpted over thousands of years, stood as monuments of time, bearing witness to the perpetual cycle of ice and water. In the heart of Glacier National Park lies Lake McDonald, a pristine glacial lake that shimmers like a gem amidst the forested mountains. I couldn't resist the temptation to take a break from driving and linger a while by the lake's tranquil shore. The crystal-clear water reflected the surrounding peaks, creating a mirror-like image that was nothing short of mesmerizing. It was a moment of perfect serenity, where time seemed to stand still and the worries of the world melted away. Feeling rejuvenated, I continued my journey, captivated by the diversity of wildlife that called this national park their home. Along the roadside, I spotted a curious mountain goat, its snowy white coat blending seamlessly with the jagged peaks. Further on, a family of bighorn sheep grazed leisurely, their majestic horns interlocked in a display of strength and grace. Even the elusive grizzly bear made an appearance, reminding me of the wildness that lies at the core of this protected sanctuary. As the sun began its descent, casting a golden hue upon the landscape, I found myself drawn towards the iconic Many Glacier area. Nestled amidst the mountains, the tranquil beauty of Swiftcurrent Lake captured my heart. Towering peaks reflected on the still waters, creating a mirror-like illusion that was simply breathtaking. I couldn't resist the allure of a boat ride, gliding silently across the lake as the day transitioned into the gentle embrace of dusk. As twilight descended, I made my way back along the Going to the Sun road, the fading light casting long shadows across the landscape. The mountains embraced the dusky sky, their majestic presence guiding me back towards my starting point. It was a bittersweet farewell to the wonders of Glacier National Park, a farewell that was tinged with gratitude and awe for the sheer magnificence of this natural masterpiece. Glacier National Park, with its icy glaciers, pristine meadows, and towering mountain peaks, has left an indelible mark upon my heart. This land of ice and mountains is truly a testament to the beauty and resilience of the natural world. It beckons adventurers from far and wide, offering a chance to immerse oneself in the embrace of a wilderness untouched by time. So, fellow travelers and seekers of awe-inspiring adventures, I implore you to venture into the pristine wilderness of Glacier National Park. Embrace the challenge of the winding Going to the Sun road, where each bend reveals a new wonder. Take the time to hike the trails, breathe in the mountain air, and witness nature's grand symphony unfold before you. Glacier National Park is waiting, ready to enchant and inspire, leaving an everlasting impression on all who dare to explore its majestic landscapes.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.